Hello, my name is Afsha Banu, and I'm gonna give a poster presentation on the research topic, which is impact of digital marketing on consumer behavior in the context of the purchase of mobile devices. Let's see the abstract first. The purpose of this research was to acquire an understanding on the effect of digital market on consumer behavior. So that is in the context of telecommunication industry. Due to the increased utilization of digital platforms, organizations will have to adopt and the strategies that will help them in increasing the customer base and remain competitive in the market. Let's see our introduction. Social networks have introduced visible changes in the interactions of people, and development of online sites have further assisted in behavioral changes concerned with the activities and habits of consumers. As a result of these changes in consumers' attitudes, organizations are forced to recreate their marketing operations in the digital environment. Hence, it is important for the organizations to acquire information about digital networks and the impact of social media marketing on the purchasing power of customers to create efficient strategies. Along with the changes in operation, organizations should also acquire knowledge about the impact of consumers' behavior, beliefs, and values on the digital advertising campaigns. The marketing agencies and departments can benefit from the rise of social networking and develop multiple strategies for the promotion of brands. They can utilize several options, including participating in social networking, development of interesting opportunities to increase the participation of customers in brand activities, and publishing the content of brands on online platforms. So the technological advancements have promoted several new trends and made an impact on the marketing techniques and attitudes of customers. Consequently, a significant change has also been observed in the purchase decisions of customers. The engagement of customers in brand activities has been changed, and the brands have to adopt new and more efficient strategies to maintain their customers. Let's see the research aim. Digital media marketing can contribute a lot in the academic research. According to the Marketing Science Institute, customers and digital technology is the most trending topic in the research field. In the field of telecommunication, very few researchers have put emphasis on digital marketing and purchase decisions of customers, both from the viewpoint of customers and the organization. So due to the increased utilization of digital platforms, organizations will have to adopt the strategies that will help them in increasing their customer base and remain competitive in the market. The purpose of this research is to acquire an understanding the effect of digital market on consumer behavior in the context of telecommunication sector, which is in the context of purchase of mobile devices. So let's discuss the research objectives. The research addresses the following objectives. The first is to assess the arguments presented by existing literature in relation to digital marketing. And the second is to determine the effect of digital marketing on the attitude of customers within the telecommunication sector. And also, lastly, to recommend effective strategies that can allow companies to strengthen their digital marketing strategies as to positively influence the consumer behavior. So let's see the research methods which is used. The research under consideration made use of qualitative research method. Such a method is based on the in-depth and analytical analysis of the qualitative data. The use of this method has allowed the researcher to establish in detail the relationship between digital media and consumer behavior in the context of purchase of mobile phones, thereby adding to the overall quality and meaningfulness of the conclusions put forward by this research. Also, the research made use an explanatory design and inductive approach based on interpretivism, paradigm, and secondary data only. The research made use of qualitative methodology. Categorical analysis was used for the assessment of the data. The impact of digital media can be observed in the upgradation of conventional media into social media like websites, online forums, and YouTube, and a wide range of platforms that assist in informal interaction like Facebook and Twitter. And digital media marketing is now among the most common and popular factors that are contributing in the introduction of the changes in the lifestyle of people and their behaviors. Briefly discuss further into the topic. Let's see the discussion. Digital media marketing is utilized to present the integrated marketing strategies that are used by the organization to attract, connect, and associate with the clients on online platforms. Digital media marketing utilizes a range of channels, including content advertising, influence marketing, social media marketing, and SEO to promote the association of brands with the clients and depict the success rate of marketing strategies. And digital media marketing has now become a lifestyle and an important part of daily routine activities as people spend most of the time on online networks to connect and engage with their families and friends. Businesses are also observing the impact of digital marketing on the behavior of consumers. While promoting and selling a product, brands have a clear idea that a buyer will only make a decision about the purchase of their product when he has clarity about the quality of products that are being provided by the brand. The intention of customer regarding the purchase of a product are a clear indication of purchase decision that will be made by the customer. A customer is more likely to purchase a product when his intentions are high regarding the product purchase. Not only that, a cost and image of the brand are the most important elements that affect the purchase intentions of the customers. These factors act as a basis of organization activities regarding the promotion of products. Nowadays, organizations have to rely on latest and unique advertising techniques while using these elements to ensure an increase in the sales and boost the prices of their products. Even though the consumer behavior has been utilized as the most important element in the marketing researches, most of the researchers have studied this phenomenon under different variables like consumers' attitude. Impact of digital media marketing on consumer behavior. A wide range of studies have examined the role of social media marketing and how it impacts the behavior and purchase intentions of customers. According to a study conducted by UAP and Focus, social networking websites affect the intentions of customers and influence them to purchase nourishment products in Sweden. The experts identified that online social networking makes an impact on different levels of the purchase decision of customers with regards to the nourishment shops. As a result of this, comfort buyers willingly invest their energy in purchase process. It also makes an impact on the growth of grocery stores because different clients observe the performance and popularity of these stores on online platforms and offer to invest money in the stores. Let's see the implications. Current research is applicable and supportive for marketing managers, that is in terms of developing various marketing strategies. because this era is known as digitalized era, where statistics are also presented that most of the young generation is using social media and other digital sources. This research is applicable that how this two communication by using digital marketing can support to get feedback and can improve quality in terms of product development strategies. The social media and other digital media sources can be used as market search to gain an in-depth knowledge uh, on how and what kind of futures, which kind of futures are more desirable for common people. So the recommendations the put forward is in terms of marketing, these identified aspects, especially example mobile application, social media, search engine optimization, emails, web applications can be used to develop two-way communication with potential customers. Targeted and non-targeted can be equally communicated by using these marketing strategies. Telecommunication industry and mobile devices company can use these marketing strategies, which can increase company sales and company reputation by using promotional strategies. The results and analysis, most of the data through content analysis was declared that different types of digital media marketing are used. For instance, owned media, paid media, and earned media. These all sources are based on the different digital channels. For example, mobile application, social media, search engine optimization, emails, web applications, and many more. These all sources are impacting the consumer behavior by consumer decision making about product purchasing by providing product details and by describing the product features in telecommunication industry. These platforms are mainly used as marketing tactics and supporting to share product information and indulging customers by describing unique features. So finally, coming to the conclusion, the overall findings indicated that digital media marketing is one of the most important tools that can allow the companies to engage with the customers, spread brand awareness, increase the brand value, and provide the customers with relevant information, discounts, and promotions, thereby influencing the consumer behavior and purchase intention and multiple stages. If used in an effective manner, this tool can help the company increasing the retention of the current customers while attracting an extensive base of new customers. Digital media marketing has now become a lifestyle and an important part of daily routine activities as people spend most of their time on online networks to connect and engage with the family and friends. Businesses are also observing the impact of digital marketing on the behavior of consumers. However, digital marketing has increased the problems for strategists, organizations, and promoters, as well as the marketers of studies. Today's time are still exploring different ways of digital marketing to use it for the profit. Advancement and deployment of technology has led towards an increase in use of digital media marketing by the organization. This presents the organizations with an ability to influence the behavior of customers. The purpose of this research was to acquire an understanding the effect of digital market on consumer behavior in the context of purchase of mobile devices. Finally, I would like to conclude my presentation by thanking my supervisor, my tutor, because of whom I have been able to conduct a research without any hassle. Thank you very much.